Hi Versace gang, today this is my first video on Animal Jam and I will only be doing videos on Animal Jam. So today I'm going to be showing you 2 secrets in Animal Jam, and for the rest of the video I will be playing Falling Phantoms and Sky High and be talking about Animal Jam's rares and worth. So first secret of Animal Jam is this little area. It's this forest area, mountain area. So you click over here, and I clicked it. So it's this Basements of Secrets is like a beta area. I think supposedly it looks beta to me, and you can click on these candles as you can see as I did. And there is a store for non-members of 700 gems for the chamber lamp and chamber candle and chambers of scrolls. If you buy this, guys, do not get scammed by this saying, oh, it's out of the game, you can't get this no more. Please don't do that, because I do not want that to affect me or you guys for getting your items scammed. So second is this little area of Chamber of Knowledge. It's in the same area, and it's pretty cool because nobody comes up here. Nobody comes up here that much. Like, I love going here for betting, trading, and stuff like that because there's not a lot of people. And this is the stuff. Mostly of the stuff you can get this for non-members, and again you can get this for members. So after this, you come down here. So you know how I was talking about the Chamber of Secrets over here? Let me go back to it. If you come up here, you come out from this little basement door. You can't go back inside. So I want to talk to you about the headdresses. Headdresses are going down, I think. Yeah, they're going down. And alpha swords are going up. So I think alpha swords are rarer than headdresses right now. I think, supposedly. Don't get me wrong. Don't go in the comments and be like, no, they're not. I already see the comments going. So my dream item is a Founder's Top Hat. If you have a Founder's Top Hat and there's been an error, please. I hate that glitch. I hate that glitch so much. I have to reload my page. Please, if y'all are watching this video, please get me a Founder's Top Hat. I would trade for you. I would trade for it for a Cupid wing and a fox hat, because Cupid wings are worth like good. I think they're worth. Let me see. Cupid wings, AJ. I prefer this AJ item worth wiki because it's very good. It shows you how much it's worth, and yeah, I have glossies. So which color do I have again? Let me see. I have blue and green. So blue and green. So blue is worth good long collar, and green is worth 1 to 2 black long collars. Okay, so I'll trade you the green one for a Founder's Top Hat. If y'all would do that, leave a comment below so I could do that. And so yeah, let me get back. So this is my first video, guys. I really want to, like, I lost my membership like a week ago, and so I have to get a new one so I can start doing mail times and like giving y'all like giveaways and like free items. And it's lagging. So peacock feathers are also going up. Seals went up a lot because I had a seal and I traded it for 3 good long collars, and now it's worth like, the seal is worth like 3 black long collars. And yeah, so I should have never traded that. Neon bow, I'm not sure if it's going up. It probably is. I haven't checked yet. All I know is do not get scammed for the Straw Hats because they're in stores now. And yeah, so please do not get scammed for the Straw Hats. So I won. I got hundreds. I got 210 gems there. I am trying to save up. I'm trying to. My achievement for Animal Jam is to get 1 million gems, and after this game, I will be showing you my den, like my den betas and stuff. And yeah. So hopefully you do like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. My goal for right now is 10 subscribers. I want to be a good YouTuber. If like you have any ideas how to become a better YouTuber, please comment below telling me how you become a good YouTuber. I really want to meet famous jammers like Wootmoo, Skirm, or Scorn. He got banned, I think. Yeah, he got banned. Apari, Wisteria Moon. It used to be Lilac Petal, but she don't play no more. Well, I think she still does, but not on Lilac Petal, because she couldn't log on to that. I want to meet Bepper. Loves betas. She's really nice. Oh, dang, I died. Okay, so no, I'm not trying again. So let's go to my den. I'll show you my den. It's alright. I have a few betas. So I got betas, but they're for members. I will also trade those. And these are my masterpieces. This used to be my old account, but it was for I traded all my other stuff to my Versace account. And yeah, I will make another video. I'll log in onto that account. Again, I haven't logged into that account for from I think it was in 2016. Yeah, I haven't logged into that account in a long time. So thank you guys.